Hi guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. These days I'm doing requested videos. If you have any request, leave a comment in the comment section below. Before we begin today's video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So in one of my latest videos where I styled heavy dupatta with different outfits, one of the styles was with the sari. So I asked you guys to leave a comment if you want a full-fledged video on how to style dupatta with the sari. So many of you guys have requested me to do the video in the comment section here on YouTube and also on messages on Facebook and Instagram. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys different ways you can style your dupatta with sari. If you guys are interested, then let's jump right into today's video.
So let's begin with our first style. For this one, I have selected thin border sari in a beautiful green color. My best friend Anu gifted it to me on my wedding. So it is a special one. Start tucking the fabric of your sari in your petticoat or pants. And then to decide the length of your pallu, start making pleats and then use a safety pin to secure the pleats. Place it on your shoulder. So I'm filming the sari draping as well in case you don't know how to do it. So this will help you. Decide the length of your pallu and then start working with the leftover fabric. So we are going to make pleats with the rest of the fabric. I'm draping the sari in a normal style with ulta pallu, or should I say Gujarati style pallu. What do you guys call this style of pallu? Using a safety pin to secure one side of the pallu and then moving on to my favorite part, which is my waist belt. And then I picked this beautiful dupatta in maroon color to go with the sari because one of the sari borders is of this color. So first dupatta style is dupatta on one shoulder and rest of it is on your other arm. This is a perfect way to layer up for the winter weddings in a pretty way. However, the actual style is tuck in one corner of your dupatta in the sari and then start making pleats on the other side. Place it on your shoulder and then tuck in your dupatta in the waist belt along with the sari pallu. Secure the pleats on your shoulder with the help of a safety pin. Adjust the dupatta so that pallu and dupatta are of the same length in the front. This is one of my favorite ways to style dupatta with the sari.
For more day-to-day styling and other tips, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is GirlsBeautyX.
I picked the contrast colors for this look. You can go for the same color dupatta as well. Only thing to remember is sari and dupatta both should have borders. I totally loved this style. Looks like a peplum jacket. So pretty. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section below. For the second style, I picked up this gorgeous orange sari. I bought this one on my sister-in-law's wedding. So many beautiful memories with this one. So I'm draping this sari in a very normal way with a pleated pallu look, or you can say gathered look. So for the first style, I'm taking this beautiful wine shade dupatta and tucking it in along with the sari pleats. And then make pleats on the other side of dupatta and place it on your shoulder. This way you can instantly add glamour to your sari. You can play around with the colors. Heavy golden dupatta would have looked very pretty with this sari. It is so important to have a collection of dupattas because they are so versatile and can instantly add glamour to your existing outfit. So you can compare these two looks and see how dupatta has added glamour to my otherwise normal look. As I said before, I could have opted for golden dupatta since it has golden borders. In the similar way, you can pick dupatta that matches your embroidery or borders. Also, this style is very easy and low maintenance. In case you have to do a little bit of work at the function, this is the perfect style to go for, because this is hands-free and you can easily move. For the second style, I picked up a dupatta with thick borders, and it should be of the same color as that of saree. The way Deepika Padukone has carried it, it looks very pretty and chic. So this is another very simple and pretty way to amp up your fashion quotient. You can play around with the colors, however I feel it will look good if dupatta and saree are of the same color. Let's move on to our third saree but fourth dupatta style. For this look, I picked up this beautiful silk saree. I guess this is not real silk though, because I got it only for 1000 rupees. All credit goes to my mother-in-law. She picked up this fabulous piece for me. I wore it so many times and I totally love it. I'm going for the loose pallu look. Use a pin to keep pallu in place. Pinning up your pallu like this is very handy and I learned it recently. This way saree is always in shape. Totally loving it. So to go with this saree, I picked up this velvet stole. I'm wearing it on one side and pinning it up on the shoulder to keep it in place. This look is inspired by gorgeous Sri Devi. She was such a diva. Very simple yet glamorous. In case you want to look gorgeous and classy at the same time, this look is for you. And this stole was gifted to me by my mom. Even though the saree is for 1000 rupees and the stole is 3000 rupees, but this whole look is $1 million. Don't you think so? And then I get carried away as well. So for another look with the same saree, I'm tucking in the pallu like this. You might have noticed I don't even have a single matching blouse. Actually, I survive on crop tops. And then take a heavy Banarsi dupatta to replace your saree pallu. You can use any heavy dupatta to create this look, along with the heavy border dupatta as well. And then I'm taking this beautiful Potli handbag. Again, this was gifted on my wedding by my best friend. This is another one of my favorite looks. I have so many favorite looks in this video, so it is hard to pick one. Which one is your favorite look? Do let me know in the comment section below. My video and no black outfit? That's not possible. So for the next look, I'm draping this beautiful black frill saree. For the blouse, I picked up off-shoulder black crop top. And I use it in so many different looks. It's very versatile. To go with the saree, I picked up this beautiful black fulkari dupatta. Lift your saree pleats and pallu to hide this dupatta underneath. The first style is make pleats on the other side of dupatta and place it on your shoulder. This looks super stylish and you can easily achieve this look without spending too much money. I'm not wearing much jewelry for this look, just carry a statement clutch and you're good to go. For the second style, and the second style is drape the dupatta as a pallu. This is Sonam Kapoor inspired look. I've seen her 2-3 pictures and I totally loved this look. So which one is your favorite pallu style for the black sari? Do let me know in the comment section below.
That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And also please do let me know, out of all the styles that I shared with you guys today, which one is your favorite? Do let me know in the comment section below. In case you have already subscribed, please make sure you have pressed the bell icon next to it, because that ways you will receive the notification every time I post a video. For more day-to-day styling and other tips, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is GoalsBeautyX. So on that beautiful and happy note, I take your leave. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep it beautiful and stylish. Bye.